Hello vegan adventurers, welcome to another exciting vlog. Today's video is a compilation of videos from autumn 2018 of our nature walks in the countryside of Kučevo. And also I'm gonna explore some Belgrade Riverside, and finally we're gonna fly drone. Let's get into the vlog. So even though the nature around Kučevo is pretty nice with lots of forests because it's more hilly than other areas, still see more and more fields coming up, which is the main cause of deforestation, and most of these fields are for either growing corn or grass to feed the animals that people eat. On one hand I see the animal culture destroying the nature, but on the other hand there are also people planting more fruit trees, which is awesome. You always gotta have the hope and focus on positive things, otherwise you would go crazy. As I said in the previous vlogs, late autumn and winter are my least favorite seasons because the day is getting much shorter and also it's getting much colder, so it's not as enjoyable to be outside, but also you have these amazing colors of the leaves on the trees. In a few weeks we are leaving to Spain where it is still warm, so we're trying to escape this terrible weather here. One drop won't make a change, but million drops over a long time will. Here we are flying the drone near our house, which is the little one on the right. We don't need a big space
And as you can see, there is still a lot of fields here, and as I said, most of them are from growing food for animals, mostly corn or some other grains like barley. So if people switch from eating animal products into eating plant products, especially cutting out beef out of their diets, most of these fields would be converted into forests, because eating vegan diet requires at least 3 times less land than eating animal-based diet. And here I'm flying the drone again around the cross hill. So last time I was flying a drone here, it was really windy and I couldn't get back to where I started, so I had to emergency land in bushes on this cross hill, and it took us about 1 hour until we found it again. So if you're flying a drone, never fly it in a strong wind, especially if it tells you on a controller that the wind has high velocity, because you might not be able to return it back to you. Here we're in Belgrade, enjoying nice autumn weather on the Sava Riverside. And here you can see lots of trash, especially plastic bottles by the river. So this is really typical in Serbia. People don't care much about the trash, they don't recycle anything at all. And people always find it weird when I take my reusable bottle and fill it with water in public toilets. So it can be a little bit inconvenient at times, but at least I don't contribute to this madness. But the plastic trash is a problem in almost every country, especially third world countries, but also in developed countries like Germany. I've seen a lot of trash as well. So you see all this area here could be planted with fruit trees. So you have a fruit for free, at least in the summer and autumn months. But instead they just leave it for grass that they have to cut. It's just ridiculous. I don't know what they're thinking here.
So here we made some cauliflower buffalo wings. So this is made from just cauliflower, and then you make a sauce. This one is, I think, spicy. Wow. Huh. It's incredible what you can make as a vegan dish and still have your own recipes that were not vegan before. Wow.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed these little vlogs from our life in Serbia. There is one more hike and one more mountain bike ride coming up in Serbia before we head on to a big hiking adventure in Mallorca, Spain. Stay tuned for more videos, and as always, stay healthy
And stay adventurous!